Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, depressed, feeling insecure, angry, shameful, guilty, tired, hungry, feeling lack and limitation, scarcity mindset, feeling like you're having a hard day, I want you to know that you're not alone and that millions, if not billions of people can relate. The same emotions, the same anxieties, the same worries, reminding you that we're all interconnected and that this too shall pass. Perhaps you might even feel joyful today. That's okay as well. No matter what you're feeling in this moment, I want you to start embracing, witnessing and welcoming what's here right now. You can gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner space, becoming aware of how you feel. Witnessing pain and welcoming it like an old friend. You're safe to close the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, noticing tension, anxieties, worries, anger, observing very gently, very lovingly. Doing good, my friend. Stay with me. Aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day. It won't always be that way. Taking a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Breathing in. breathing out. Inhaling new life, new energy. Exhaling old life, old energy. Breathing in with awareness. And exhaling with awareness. Allowing the shoulders to drop. Relaxing the palms of your hands and feet as you breathe in. And breathing out, letting go of stress. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Inhaling. And exhale out. Breathing in love for yourself. And exhale, releasing, letting go. Letting go of self-hatred, shame, guilt. Simply letting it go. As you come back into compassion for the pain, for all the suffering. Having compassion for your anxieties, insecurities that so many people, so many of us can relate to. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhaling. Exhale out. Every cell in your body breathing in. And every cell letting go. Breathing in, feeling your belly, chest rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing your face, relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Relaxing your mind, relaxing your heart. You're safe to close the eyes, looking inside, witnessing and welcoming any anger, frustrations, tension, embracing it like an old friend. You know, me and anger go way back. Me and anxiety go way back. Nothing wrong about it. Simply bringing our awareness to all of this discomfort inside. Smiling at it, knowing that we go beyond this discomfort, which comes and goes. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Letting go of the past. letting go of the future, bringing all your attention to this moment, unlike any other moment that's ever been before. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale. Taking a deep breath in, hold, and exhale. Way to stay with it, my friend. Letting go of thoughts now, coming back into your body. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. Exhale, letting go. Breathing in trust. Exhale, let go of fear. Feeling all fear leave the mind, leave the body as you come back into trust. your inner space, noticing all the movement inside, welcoming thoughts, emotions, tensions. Breathing in and breathing out. The color for today is purple. The number is 22. And the animal is a bull. Taking one last deep breath for now. And exhale, letting it all go. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug. You know, today I started a new routine. So normally I record these episodes like right when I wake up. But today I went for a long walk first. And so I'm getting used to this new routine. I don't know if this episode will come out different or if you can feel any difference in it. But perhaps I'm sharing this with you just to encourage you to, as well, pay attention to your routine and see as the seasons shift and you enter new stages of life, sometimes it's good to shift up the routine a bit. I thank you so much for being with me today, breathing with me in this way. So happy to have you here today, my dear friend. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.